Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change name on REDnote application. So first of all, you have to open up the application. Now on the application's main interface, you will see all sorts of videos that are posted by people on this application. So what you have to do is that you have to click on the me icon that is present at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now over here, you have to tap on Edit Profile. In Edit Profile, you will see your name and your ID. You should know that the ID is actually your username and the name is your real name. So if you want to change your name, then you have to tap on the name option. So now you can very easily type in the name that you want to use on REDnote application. For example, I will simply remove the first name of my name and then tap on confirm that is present at the top right corner of your screen. Once you are done with it, you have to tap on save. Then again, tap on save. So everyone, that's how you can change your name on REDnote application. That's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.